the development section is continued in bar 141 with this string sound. So basically what happens here is we have a sustained D sharp minor chord or E flat minor chord. It's a very mysterious key, and the effect, especially if it's played in piano, it's that of a whisper, shimmering effect, I guess, and it sounds really good for the strings. So I will show you what happened, what I did with the Wind Ensemble. What was the solution? What else is happening at that spot? We have in the original we have some brass sustained chords. So not much is happening here. This is a little break, I guess, a little pause until the soloist comes back, and this is the first time the soloist appears in the development section. So these 4 bars, they sort of prepare us for the entrance of the soloist. So when the soloist enters in this next section, the same idea of this pattern is taken by the clarinets and the bassoons, and then it actually goes back to the strings for a few more bars until the new section starts. This is the new sort of a new wave in the development section starts right in this at the end of this section that we're talking about. So let's see what happens in the version for the Wind Ensemble. So what I did was I am showing that same pattern that we had in the strings. I have only 2 instruments, but the saxes are doing this in pairs like this, and I think it works. I was concerned a little bit about whether they would blend into this soft sound, but I think saxes are very expressive instruments in any dynamic level, so I think they will blend really well here. So these 4 bars, and then this is where the soloist starts. So I didn't leave. I didn't change anything in this next part. We have the clarinets, we have the bassoons, so, and then back to the saxes, and then after that we have this new section that starts here. So what I'd like to show you is how this section turned out to be. So let's I'm gonna play it a little bit before, so this will start from the soft sound of the previous part that we talked about in the previous video, and then we have this D sharp minor sustained chord idea. Okay, so let's hear it. That's right. So so this was, of course, without the soloist in this section. So I just wanted us to focus on the playing of this the groups of the saxophones and the clarinets and the bassoons.